Hi guys, this is Dr. Komal and welcome to KC Science Talks. So today we are going to solve a question on limit of resolution. I've already explained about limit of resolution. You can watch that video and that link is given in the description box of this video. So now let's begin solving the question. So the question is, if you are viewing an object with visible light at a wavelength of 600 nanometer in a microscope with an angular aperture of 70 degrees, what would be the resolution if air of refractive index 1 was the medium between the specimen and the objective? And these are the options. So we have to simply calculate it by using the formula D is equal to 0.61 lambda n sine alpha. Okay, so lambda is the wavelength of light, n is the refractive index of the medium, and alpha is the angular aperture. So now we have to just simply put up the values. 600 nanometer, okay, n is 1, okay, and sine 70 degree. Okay, so 70 degree is the is alpha, that is the angular aperture. Lambda is 600 nanometer and n is the refractive index, that is 1. Okay, so now we get 366 nanometer divided by sine 70 is 0.94. Okay, so here we get 389.36 nanometer. Okay, so that is about 390 nanometer. So the option 4 is correct. Okay, so guys, here I am also going to ask a question. I will show you a microscope and you have to tell me what kind of microscope is this, and you have to name the microscope in the comment section. Let's see how many of you can answer this question. So guys, that's all. I'll meet you in my next video on microscopy. Till then, bye bye, and please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.